Right. So now we will simplify further. 2x plus 2 divided by x square. 5 minus 3 will get plus 2x minus 15. Cross multiplication will do. Very good, Arfan Uren. No, B Rakshita. Junaid, once again check. Last step. So cross multiplication will give you 3 to the 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Get this part here, you will get what? X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equals to 0. So finally we will get x square minus 4x, right? X square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Actually, I can easily, what I can do now, I can easily factorize it. Easy to factorize. Whenever factorization is there, I will do factorization. But it is up to you what you want to do. So here minus 21 we have, and we will take 7 3s are minus 7. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equals to 0. X common x minus 7, 3 common of x minus 7. You will get the answer x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. Positive age will be considered. So therefore, present age of Rahman is equal to x is equal to 7 years. Finish here. It is not that tough. Okay, yes, answer is 7, Manoj. Very good. Nikhil, Rekha, come on. So this is the marks. In English, total sum of the marks is 30. So in English, 30 minus x. 2 more marks. 2 more marks in maths means x plus 2. 3 marks less means 30 minus x minus 3, 27. Now they are saying product. Product of maths and English. So maths is x plus 2. English is 27 minus x is equal to 210. This is the 210 they get. Now you know multiplication and simplification. It's easy now. You can carry on if really you understood and if your basics are perfect. Multiply x into 27, we will get 27x. X into x will get minus x square plus 2 into 27 will get 54. Minus 2 into x, 2x will get 210. Next. So this 27x and this 2x are like terms, so you can write minus x square. 27 minus 2 will get 25x plus 54 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 now, is equal to 210 is there, right? What is there? 210. So that 210 we should write. So now this whole part will get this side. It will become plus, 25x will become minus. 25x will become minus. Not able to erase it actually. So we will scratch this. So we will get x square minus 25x minus 54 plus 210 equals to 0. If you minus, how much will get? How much will get? 210 minus 54 will get how much? 156 is equal to 0, right? Right, 156, no, 156, not 166. 156. Copy up to here, Fadafat. You can factorize it now. You can factorize it, boys and girls, or you use the formula. Whatever you want, you do it by yourself. Yes, very good, always. 12 13 is perfect table. So we need 156, and you know what? If you don't know, you can just take factorization. 2 sevens are, 2 eights are, 2 threes are, 6 2 nines are, 3 13s are, 13 ones are. So what you will take as, see, you can take this 12 and 13 will give you 25 also. So 13 and 12 minus 13 minus 12. So x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equals to 0. Take common x minus 13 minus 12 common x minus 13 equals to 0. You will get x is equal to 13 and another answer also 12. Both are positive value. Now confusion is that which value you should take now. Both are positive. If anything was negative, then we would have discarded anyone. But here both are positive. So what we can do here, if x is equal to 13, then max mark is equal to x is equal to 13. English marks. What was the English marks? 29 minus x, 30 minus x, right? So 30 minus x, nothing but 30 minus 13, we will get 70. So this is 1. Okay, one answer. 13 and 17. Okay, and next part we will do here. Next, if x is equal to 12, if x is equal to 12, then max marks will be x is equal to 12 and English marks will be 30 minus x, nothing but 30 minus 12 will be 18. So these are the 2 marks. Okay, 12 marks and 18 marks. So this both you should write. Completely you should write. Okay. 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 Copied. Everyone copied. Copied. Time up. Time up. Let the two numbers x, one number we will take x, what will be the other number? Can anybody say? Yeah, Prasanna, right answer, good. Can anyone say? If one number is x, then what about other number? No, Rakshita. See, two numbers, sum of two, yeah, Chetan, right? Sum of two numbers, see, Rakshita, very good, Paula. See, one number plus two number is equal to 48. First number is x, then second number is equal to 48. Second number is equal to what we will get? 48 minus x. So two numbers are 40 x and 48 minus x. Maitri understood? Maitri understood, right, Sridhar? Very good, Farat. Yogita, y na. You can take Yogita y also, but directly if you take your one step will be decreased. Yogita understood? Yogita understood? Okay. Right. Then product, they mention what? Product is 432. So this is x of 48 minus x equals to 432. Multiply. X into x you should multiply. X into 48, 48x. X into x we will get minus x square. And this is equal to 432, correct? And this both we will get this side. So that the x will become plus. So x square minus 48x plus 432 equals to 0. Okay, now you can take factor of 432 or you can go with formula. As you wish, whichever you feel easy. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. 2 1s are 2. Now don't write 16, 2 8s are, don't write. Many people do this mistake. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. No, you can't take 2 digits. So you can't take 2 digits. So what you will take? What you will take? 108. So now we should decide it. Which will help us to get minus 48x? Which will help us to get minus 48x? 2 1s are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So which will help us to get minus 48? Oh, this is 2, 2s are 4. Okay, if you think this, 9, 4, 36. So we got 36 into 12. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. 12 will get actually 12. So there is a mistake, we did it. So here common take x of x minus 36 minus 12 of x minus 36. Answer will get x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 12. Done. So what the two numbers are? The two numbers. Therefore, what was the question? Two numbers. Two numbers are x. So this is x is equal to 36 thing. And another number is what? Another number is, what was another number? 48 minus x. So 36 minus, sorry, 48 minus 36 we should write. 48 minus 36 you will get 12. So these are the two numbers. If you take this 12 also, we'll get same answer, okay? 12 and 36. So these are the two numbers. If you take 12, then answer is 12 and 36. If you take 36, then answer is 36 and 12. No difference in that. Okay? Right. Good. Correct answer.